What up, guys? My name is Stanley Steen from Team Deberoo, and today I've got a very important and awesome message to share, an announcement to make, because we have a brand new coaching plan called On-Demand Coaching. And On-Demand Coaching, like the name already kind of tells, is a coaching plan where you can schedule your one-on-one coaching call with Colin Dijs or with me whenever you need it, and as many as you need. So basically, you will get a link in which you can schedule your call in our schedule. So you can see when we're available and schedule your call whenever you need it, whether it's because you have a question about a course or a video, or to take a look at your creatives and rank them and see how you can improve them, or maybe to take a look at your numbers, at your data and your campaign, and give you advice on how to optimize and how to scale on them to make a better profit. So you can use the coaching call whenever you want, however you want, and we only have a couple of spots left. So basically, we want to do a promo to give you a chance to fill up our schedule, basically. Because as you might know, we are very, very busy at the moment with the development of the Deberoo suite, and we already have students on this on-demand coaching. So we want to fill up those last spots in our schedule for November, and we only have a couple of places left. So we decided to make it a big promo. So if you want to fill up one of those spots, make sure to go to the website down below in the description, and you can schedule your call with Colin Dijs to do an application, because we do want to work with serious people. So you will get an application call with Colin Dijs, and he will basically tell you whether you will get accepted or not. And if you get accepted, we're going to throw in some extras, because we are having a very nice promo. So you will get, when you schedule your on-demand coaching, you will get a course, a 45-day course of either native, push, Facebook, or one of the masterminds for free with your on-demand coaching calls. And apart from your on-demand coaching calls, you will also get a dedicated coaching chat. That's right. So if you have a small question, or you don't have the time to pick up the phone and get on a call with us, you can basically type out your question in your dedicated coaching chat, and we will respond with an answer so that you can continue making some more profits. So once again, we only have a few spots left, because we cannot give everybody on-demand coaching calls. We just simply don't have the time for it. So if you would like to have on-demand coaching from one of the super affiliates, from Colin Dijs or from myself, then make sure to go to the website down below in the description and schedule your application call with Colin Dijs. And maybe we'll see you on the on-demand coaching plans. That's going to be it for this one. Let me say, peace out.